Come test drive the 2016 Chevrolet Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: third row seat, running boards, power passenger seat, power liftgate, four-wheel drive, navigation system, remote engine start, backup camera, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver lumbar, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, ABS four-wheel, cruise control, front floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, universal garage door opener. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.